What type of video game was used in the University of Pittsburgh study to enhance doctors' decision-making? The answer might surprise you because it's not your typical medical simulator, but a fast-paced action game that sharpens critical thinking under pressure. The University of Pittsburgh researchers selected a first-person action video game for their study. Unlike the usual medical training simulators, this game demands quick reflexes, rapid decision-making, and multitasking. Players must navigate complex environments, identify threats, and respond rapidly. This genre challenges the brain's ability to process information quickly, which is precisely what the study aimed to enhance in doctors. Medical decision-making often requires split-second judgments under stress. The chosen video game trains cognitive flexibility and speeds up information processing. Doctors who played showed measurable improvement in making faster, more accurate decisions. This suggests that skills honed in gaming can transfer to real-life medical situations, especially emergencies where every second counts. In the study, doctors who engaged with the action video game improved their decision accuracy by more than 20%. This improvement was linked to better situational awareness and faster reaction times. These findings challenge the stereotype that video games are just entertainment, showing they can be powerful tools for professional training. So the next time you think about video games and doctors, remember that a fast-paced action game helped improve crucial medical decisions. This unexpected connection between gaming and healthcare reveals how innovative learning methods can enhance real-world skills. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.